replacing the shift knob on my automatic E93 BMW 2007 335i. So essentially, you're gonna throw your car in accessory mode, so not turned on all the way on, and you're gonna slap that bitch on drive. As soon as you slap it on drive, also make sure your e-brake is up. Take your foot off the brake, pull, and it should jam right out. Also, this is the new one. Old one, new one. So yeah, it just popped right out. I had to put the phone down for a second because, you know, essentially I had it reversed. I fixed it. Boom.